National Board of Canvassers, with the chairman and commissioners of the Commission on Elections, sitting as the National Board of Canvassers, do hereby proclaim Emmanuel Joel J. Villanueva as Senator-elect in the May 9, 2016 national and local elections, done this 90th day of May 2016 at the PICC, City of Pasay, Philippines, signed by the chairman and all the commissioners. Congratulations.
Now may I call on the family and perhaps friends of Senator-elect Villanueva to join him on stage for the picture taking.